welcome to Fort Myers Beach as we cross the bridge for another one of our little motorcycle and poker adventures. Heading south to Bonita Springs, to Bonita Poker Room. And as we hit the beach, we have the ocean, everybody. So come along, follow us, enjoy the ride. Fort Myers Beach. Welcome to Cold Stone Head. If you've never been to a Cold Stone Creamery, try it. You'll love it. And the beach, everybody. A little action on the beach.
That's Margaritaville.
And as we make our way into Margaritaville on the island of Fort Myers Beach, a quick little drive through the town. Still have a lot of repairs, construction from the hurricane of September 22. I think that one was called Ian. So let's roll. We continue cruising down Fort Myers Beach. You could actually see a lot of these lots. The homes are completely gone from the hurricane of September 2022. A lot of new construction going on, a lot of new rebuilds, a lot of empty lots for sale, a lot of for sale signs. So a lot of reconstruction on the island here of Fort Myers Beach. This is actually cruising down the main drag of the island. To this day, still not a pretty sight. A lot of damages, a lot of vacant lots, a lot of homes that were here that are gone. All oceanfront properties. The empty lots, oceanfront, one after another here on Fort Myers Beach. As we're leaving Fort Myers Beach, a lot of construction, a lot of destruction, and a lot of reconstruction throughout the island. And they've got years ahead of them to get everything back together like normal. New steel for the bridges, new piping, new water lines, new infrastructure. As we continue our journey.